Well, if I talk of me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Professor Donna Hope, and yes, co-author and business partner Michael Dawson voiced their opinion on what took place with the Vybz Kartel verdict on Friday. Now, viewers and subscribers, Miss Donna Hope said, I understand the power of dynamics socially and politically in terms of how the system is set up. All the way, I had no question signing up regarding his return. I know that until you cross the finish line with the baton in your hand, you don't win the race. I know how the system works. I am not surprised by the ruling, she said. Vybz Kartel will always be that scapegoat for the Jamaican powers that be, meaning viewers and subscribers. And we have seen that even recently. As soon as things go left, meaning so the thing not go right, and them want somebody for blame because them know society will be looking at what take place and say, but wait, what kind of move that? Then them need an individual for blame it on. And Vybz Kartel, recently we saw going with the youth them. And would you believe somebody who has been behind the bars for 9 years was the scapegoat for what going presently out a road? And they must say a music do it. We must sing alien music. The thing is, Vybz Kartel is singing dancehall music. He's just doing it better than the other dancehall artists. And someone don't like that statement there. But the fact is the fact. He must sing the same dancehall song them. Him just a do it better. And then I like him feel. Now, business partner, co-author of the big book, The Vice of the Jamaican Ghetto, Michael Dawson, shared similar sentiments. Him said, I will differ to QC C0rrupti0n when she said that at least the Privy Council, they won't know who Vybz Kartel is, and so there will be no bias. Kartel totally understands the system. He has no illusions about it. He tried to be confident about being given fairness in Jamaica, but deep down he knew how it was, Dawson said. The system has always been after Deja Palmer. There have been many viewers and subscribers great at the dancehall genre. But then I talk about the system. And Kartel has chosen to speak up about the system, viewers and subscribers. So you know who that has hungered? The system itself. And in their point of view, viewers and subscribers, they need to find some way to prove back to them point. So one, there is no going around the system. Secondly, we control what go on. It has nothing to do with the particular situation where they must say. The lizard situation. It not have nothing to do with that. It go far. It go far, viewers and subscribers. Even the artist's home of residence was demolished. Why? Them was saying it was because of where it is in the community and what take place there, and you know what I mean? They want to demolish the structure because certain characters were frequenting the spot. You know what has happened? The spot is now a dump, and the same characters are still frequenting the same spot. It had nothing to do with that. The legacy, anything what the teacher had, them just a try to remove that. If them could have removed the gold plaques, the chart tapping tracks, them would have do that too as well. I told them can't do it. Them go as far as to say, ooh, We find the phone. See the phone, yeah? Where is the phone? Them said that phone them I used to post on IG and them have it. So the IG post I got stop. The same night they were post made. The very same night they were post made. What them I say? I have noticed that the system is all about baseless accusations. Baseless. They don't need no proof. Because sometimes, because of who I say it, you don't necessarily need proof. Because depending upon who I say it, listen to what I say. Depending upon who I make the report, you don't necessarily need the proof. Because if the Department of Corrections say them find the phone, who will be doing that investigation? Who will be looking into that matter? Members of the Department of Corrections. That is outside the JCF, JDF, and even the courts. That's a whole different entity to itself. From them say I saw it go, there will be nobody else to say it never goes so. So you see the dilemma there. You see the dilemma there. But then I hope Michael Dawson said them were not surprised viewers and subscribers. Them said them no, say yo, what you going on? This is the play is. It's the way the system set. It's the way this is the picture where this is a paint about the system. Members of the system, stakeholders of the system would never allow certain things to take place. And it has nothing to do with ethics. It is more about saving face internationally. But you know what the downside is to what them go on with? Yeah, for them thing not straight, there is always a downside. The downside to for them thing, for them plan, for them play, with them make is that when international courts look at the matter, it will paint that very same picture about the justice system locally. However, I will not agree with Nita Robertson somewhat of saying that them don't know what Vybz Kartel is. No man, them know what Vybz Kartel is. I'm telling you this. It's like science. People are into science, what science, no matter where it is taking place in any country. People are into movies and music or whatever it be. Them into music, whether them into their specific genre or music on the highest level. Whether it be the Grammys, all the major music awards, they will pay attention. So those who are into law, especially in a country like England, who have a Commonwealth connection to our country, no doubt there were people who were paying attention to what was taking place locally. They were. There are a whole heap of people that pay attention to what they're going locally. I say, yo, naturally, at the longest trial this, they never to take place in our Commonwealth country, in Jamaica. The appeal, one of the longest appeal to as well, are the longest appeal to. And then now to see the matter documented and sent over to them. Of course, they were paying attention. Yo, all I can say is I hope some people plan for either retire early or, you know what I mean? You remember what happened to Mr. Golin? After what took place, go and have a step down. I hope some people plan to do the same. I hope some plan to do the same, viewers and subscribers, because at this point in time, them no win. And them actually make the consequences that much bigger for them. That's how actually that take place. Them make the consequence that much bigger for them. Because should international courts find that yes, not only did the initial judge was shaky, but also 3 other judges that was presiding over appeal matters locally. So 4 judges in total that. So that's what? Yeah, ball. Yeah, ball look upon the situation, yeah. And this was the result. Maybe someone needs to go back to law school. It reached that point. Maybe some need to do a refresher course in law. Because either the laws have changed, or maybe some people who preside over legal matters don't know the law themselves. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, viewers and subscribers, and I'm reminding you, no, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you're just a pass through. but you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting to you now that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you'll now be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also there as well. Drop a like on the blog for me like when you hear. The share icon is also there too. Close by. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason and join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7, never lack yet, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the something go. Our most settings fam, and we don't need no ladder and my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love and prosper until we reason again.